Hello, everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily enable silent mode on your iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put likes and write your comments. And you and me, let's get started. So, in order to enable silent mode on your iPhone, you just need to do one simple thing. On all iPhones, especially the latest generation, on the side, above the sound keys, there is another button. I have an iPhone 10, so I toggle that button like this. Right now, I have the mute mode turned off. And if I press this button like this, I can see at the top that I've been notified by my iPhone that I now have mute mode turned on. And if I switch that button again, then as you can see, we now have mute mode turned off. On newer versions of the iPhone, this button toggles a little bit differently. You'll just have to press on it. And a simple press, just like you press the sound button. That's how you can activate or deactivate the silent mode by simply pressing it. And you can do it with more than just the button. For example, if you go into your phone's settings, you'll find sounds and tactile sensation. And here you'll have a function at the top above the sound that you can adjust to disable or enable silent mode. Again, since I have an older model phone, I don't have this feature. I can only enable silent mode with the button on the side. If you have an iPhone, for example, 15, 14, 13, then most likely you will have this function activated, and you'll be able to turn it on or off that way. Or if you go to the control center, you'll have to swipe down on the right-hand side. And here in this area, you'll also see an icon to turn the silent mode on or off. So these are the simple, absolute ways that you can enable silent mode on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and write your comments. And see you soon.